Meaning of improvidence.
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 Improvidence. The term improvidence implies a lack of forethought or planning for the future, particularly with regard to finances or resources. When someone is deemed improvident, it suggests they are careless or irresponsible in their use of money or other assets and fail to consider the long-term consequences of their actions. This can result in financial difficulties or even poverty, as they struggle to make ends meet and are unable to save or invest for the future. Ultimately, improvidence can lead to a lifetime of economic insecurity and hardship.